What's up there, family?
We are going to be doing a mukbang.
A mukbang.
Mukbang for y'all. We got our little seafood. We got some corn. We got some shrimp. And we got some potatoes.
And I got sausage. She ain't got sausage.
Yeah, I don't eat pork. So
I don't either, for real. I accept these though.
He's trying to stop eating less pork. But while we are eating, we are going to be basically talking about ourselves, get to know us a little bit more. But before we start this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so you can join the Dab family. Like, comment, and share our videos. And also hit that notification bell button so you can get notified when we drop some bangers.
Yeah, I'm already eating.
He is, so I'm finna start eating.
Yeah, man. Where you from?
I'm from Birmingham, Alabama. Where are you from?
Same place as you, obviously.
Yeah. We both went to our high school. We went to Clay Chalkville. We are officially in college now, and we go to JSU. That's in Jacksonville, Alabama, not Florida, Alabama. Yeah. He did summer classes, but I took a break because I went to summer school like
last summer.
Yeah, last year. Cause the reason why I went to summer school was because I keep saying well, in order to get to college, you had to take the ACT, and I didn't score a high enough score to get to JSU, so they offered me to take summer classes so I can be enrolled there. And I did good during the summer, so yeah. That's what I did. Summer class was really fun.
My summer class was online. Yeah, it was online.
See, like, I had to actually like go and live on campus. It was like me and I think it was like 60 other people. We lived in a co-ed dorm, so it was both girls and boys. And yeah, we all didn't score a high enough score to be enrolled. So yeah, some people didn't make it during the fall. Some people did. I was one of them. So yeah.
So, what you do in high school?
It's funny because he really already know me, but
I don't know her, y'all.
Whatever. Let's see. Well, I was a cheerleader.
She was.
I did competitive cheerleading, like the type where like I don't know if y'all seen, but like you can see competitive cheerleaders like on TV, or you can just type in on Google like what they look like. But competitive cheerleading mostly consists of tumbling and doing stunts versus just like cheering on like a football team or basketball team.
And me, you people, I know you want to know what I look like. I did. I know y'all can tell. Yeah, I played football, man.
He was a basketball player.
Yeah, bye. I was a football player.
Tell him what your weight and height is.
I am 5'11". I'm a strong 6 foot for real. And I am 255 pounds. I play linebacker. Y'all can look at my highlights if I want to. Dog, baby. Y'all see my picture right here?
Oh yeah, that's him. Baby. Number 52.
Yes, sir. You already know.
Yep.
I heard the same number as my favorite linebacker, Ray Lewis. A lot of y'all might know him, a lot of y'all might not know him.
Oop.
Well,
I thought I dropped something on me, but it landed on my plate.
I ate my potato that quick.
I'm so weak.
This on good.
This is good. But yeah, let's see. My birthday is, I think y'all should probably know my birthday if y'all watch the birthday vlog.
Yep.
But my birthday is April 20th. I was born in 2000, so I'm 19 years old. And I'm a Taurus.
She was born on 4/20.
I was.
Ain't that crazy?
So crazy. But yeah.
And my birthday is in November 10th. On November 10th, my bad, y'all. Born in 1999. Finna be 20.
In
90s
4 months.
baby. You know, don't hate.
She
be hang, bro. She be hang so hard, boy.
Cause you rep the 90s so hard and they don't even claim you.
They claim me. I'm a different breed.
Like, I know he a 90s baby, but he just be talking down on 2000s baby.
No,
when
don't.
you righteous, like, low-key a 2000 baby as well.
Don't call me that.
What, ain't no wrong being a 2000 baby?
It is if you're not one.
Okay. we in the lead. We started the new century. Where's the decade?
I'm so weak.
I don't know. Y'all, I'm low-key slow. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all.
I'm fast.
Okay. But, yeah. He's a Scorpio. I'm a Taurus. So, yeah. And he just got Scorpio tatted on him.
Yep.
A lot of people thought it was my name.
Nah, yeah, I ain't that crazy, not yet.
He said not yet. But yeah, y'all, we too early in the game to get our names tatted on each other. Not yet, but soon y'all might see that on our channel. But next month it will be our 2-year anniversary. Our anniversary date is August the 30th. So yeah, y'all, we'll be together for 2 years.
You crazy.
I low-key don't like you.
Dang. I don't like you no ways.
You right. I don't like you. I love you.
No, be quiet. You ain't slip.
But yeah, for y'all, this is my best friend right here. Yeah, I guess you're cool peoples.
Nah, you guess. Good. Good.
Boy,
Let me have your potato.
I don't want to eat my potato. No, I can't eat that. Y'all, look how big this potato is. It's so big. I low-key want to cut it, but I don't feel like getting up.
You better bite that. You better bite that potato.
That's good.
Yeah, man. We just telling y'all about ourselves, just in case y'all didn't know.
Maybe.
Hey, I appreciate the support we've been getting too.
Yeah. I guess we wanted to tell y'all about ourselves so like y'all can get to know us on a personal level. And we want to also get to know y'all on a personal level as well. Like once we blow up, you know, we're going to do stuff like probably like meet and greets and all type of stuff. We got a lot planned. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
We got this food from the Crab Barrack.
Yep.
If you're in Birmingham, it's on the Parkway. And it's where Old Charlie's used to be at. And
what about Chick-fil-A on Roebuck?
yeah, and they got a lunch special. It's before 3. It's the time they open up and before 3 where like everything on their menu is cheaper. And we got the half-pound shrimp boil, and it was $11. And you really can't beat that price.
Headless.
Yeah, we got headless.
Can't look in no eyes when I eat.
Yeah, I don't eat the shrimp head.
But yeah, my food about gone. I got one more shrimp left. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
You really do. Show them your plate.
This the last one, y'all. Say goodbye.
I still got a good amount on my plate. I got this much. And I got...
9 times out of 10, she'll want me to help her. So.
I'm so weak. But yeah. I stay giving him my food.
I don't know why she don't eat.
I do eat. But yeah. Let's see, what else? Oh, my nose itches.
That was good.
Oh, my favorite color is purple.
Both y'all already know my favorite color. Mine red.
I was saying it might not.
It's red. If you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Hey, y'all like my new do-rag, by the way? Yeah, it's a real body for me.
I did.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome, love. Anything for you.
You said anything for me?
I ain't mean this. At least not yet.
Hey, y'all, man. If y'all want us to start doing more of these, just let me know. Let us know down in the comment section.
Yeah, it's something different. Yeah.
Yeah, it's something different than the reaction all the time.
Our channel is going to be filled with diversity.
Yep.
So we're going to be doing these videos and these videos, especially when we like get more into YouTube. We're going to really be doing like way more than just reaction videos.
Right.
We're just starting off reaction videos just to get a start and just to like kind of build like a supporting base, like supporting subscriber base, if that's, you know what I mean.
Right.
But yeah, we got a lot planned, and you know, I hope the ones that's watching right now will still be in tune in our future.
I hope so. Cause y'all do y'all the real ones.
Mm-hmm.
All 683 of y'all.
It's 88.
Dog, bro.
Yeah. 680. We got 600. Oh, bless you, by the way.
Thank you.
We got 680 subscribers.
Bro, we finna hit 700. And then after 700, we'll hit 8. And then after 8, it's gonna be 9. And after 9, it's gonna be 1,000.
And we gonna turn up.
We gonna turn up. We gonna turn up, baby.
You want my potato?
Yes, indeed. I eat it.
I didn't even finish my corn over here.
She wanna talk about y'all. She don't like to eat all food.
Mm-hmm. This corn's so good.
Hey, bro, I like the potatoes. Like,
I like the corn.
all that stuff on there. And Jay, all that. What they said, the house
House
sauce?
special.
House special sauce. Mild. You can get spicy, medium, whatever you want to call it. But we get the mild. It's so good.
It's the sauce. It's the same sauce that what's the lady name? B Love.
Mm-hmm.
Like all the YouTubers when they do a mukbang seafood boil, and if y'all see that brown like sauce,
That's what
it's
this
the
is.
exact same sauce. It's basically what's in it, and you can like look up like the ingredients or whatever. They got like it's garlic, some lemon pepper, some more type of garlic powder,
Bro, it's a
some
whole
butter. It's like a whole bunch.
bunch of stuff.
Yeah, it tastes really good though, and we got the mild kind.
And we go dumb with it, dumb, baby.
This is our first mukbang. I feel so honored
I'm so weak.
to do this with you. But yeah.
And that's vice versa.
But yeah, since this is our first one, you know, we're gonna, you know, get better with it. See, look at him. We're gonna
She
get,
wanna go eat it.
we're gonna get, you know, more better with mukbangs and stuff. We're gonna have more bigger portions maybe the next time y'all see us. Who knows? You know? But yeah, let's see. What's some more stuff they could know about us?
How old we are.
I already told him my
Because
age.
somebody commented one time saying that she looked like she about 12 or something.
Right.
And they said I was a bird. Like, what? But we both 19, boy. Boy.
And I don't even look, like, be real. Do I look 12? No. I think I look exceptional for my age. I think I look like a 19-year-old girl. So, you know, people just be talking in the comments, but like I said, but like I said, we don't tolerate no type of negativity. We just ignore it.
Yeah, like I said, I do not care.
You really don't. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 shrimps left, and I got a corn.
Well, alright, guys. That's gonna be the end of our mukbang. Or bang, or dang, got bong bang.
Mukbang, whatever y'all call it. Mukbang.
And we gonna go out with this last shrimp in peace.
And I'm gonna go out with my corn.
And after that, it's being said, peace.